Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to SistersLoves channel. Here I upload my daughter's reading and my learning to code journey. Currently we are learning Scratch, and in this Scratch tutorial we will do some math. In Scratch actually we can do so many maths. So in advance I made some expression here. I'll give you the link of this project in my description. So please check the description. So when a green flag is clicked, here I set the variable x equal to 2 and y equal to 4, and I did some expression. You can go inside and you can see the code. And we will make this code now. So let me get this one out. So I open the offline code editor. So we'll create a new file and we'll do some math. So in this class actually we can do so many math. In operator section we'll use the blocks, and first the sum basic we can do the if we simply say block we can choose. Now let's we want to make an average number, three number we want to make an average. How we can do that? So first we have to take the save function so that we can see it, or even if you want to take the speak, that also we can do. So speak set voice to voice you like. So let's say we'll use the speak function. So now in the operator we'll use three. As we know, the summation, the average of any number is, if we take the three numbers and we want to make an average, so we have to add these three numbers, then divide by the how many numbers we are using. So we'll use this one. Initially we'll use three numbers. So here we have two numbers, but how we can make three? This another like oval shape round. Here we can put another plus. So this three number now we'll drag it and put it in the left side. So now we have this 3 plus positive addition, then divide by the number. So if you want to say you can grab your pen and pencil and check it that it's correct or not. Suppose we want to make an average number of 90, 95, 98, 3. Now what we'll do, we'll grab the top left because that is the last one. They all will come together and we'll set it in the hello section. Now if you click it, because in computer they will say R2 long value. So we can choose the say block so that we can see same things. We'll just copy and paste. So right click, duplicate, and paste it here. Say this 1, 3. So you can use speak or say. And another math we can do in say block, like the operator section is the absolute number. See here, not only absolute of number, here we can do the floor, ceiling, square root, sine, so many. So like we want to do square root of 32, or like if you want to do more, just copy paste duplicate, make some duplicate. So here we can we want to make the number sine 30 degree, cosine 90 degree, and even log, we can do the log number of 9 also. We can do the math for us. And as we know, the if we use the ceiling, the little difference between floor and ceiling, if we use floor, it will return the fraction the lowest number than the number it's. So floor will return the 33, and if you use the ceiling, it will return the largest number of the number we are using. So 33.5, it will return 4. To separate ceiling, it will return the 34, and for floor, it will return the lowest integer number. And say if you use ceiling, it will return the highest integer number. Even we can do math, physics, like force equal to mass into acceleration, right? So we can do that. If we set any force value like 200 kg force and acceleration like 3 meter per square, it will return that 6000. And now I'll do some expression how we can set the variable and do this. We make this save log. So first we'll set a variable. We'll go to the variable section. We'll make a variable set like x, and we'll make another variable y. Now here is in the variable section, it has the set. So we'll take this set, and we'll in the drop down we can get the value set x equal to set suppose 2. Then we want to set y equal to 4. Now we want to do something. Suppose we want to do like 6 times x. So if we want to set that 6 times x, so in the operator section we'll go 6 times x, so we'll add 6 and we'll set x on 3. Oh, sorry. Now we have to go to the variable and just copy the x. Some x right there. So another expression I did 2 times x plus 4 times y. So on the save log, the expression we have to make it from the operator, and that is 2 times x plus 4 times y. So we have to put this number in this. We have to put it from the left. So get it, and 4 times y. So there from the left corner we'll return it. So here we'll write down 4 times x and 3 times y, if you suppose. And from middle we'll take from the left, we'll insert here Then we grab it here. Then another expression, suppose we want to do y plus 4 division x times x, and the computer will follow the operation in math, the order like parenthesis, then square root or square, exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, then subtraction. They'll follow that order of math in here as well. So another expression like y times y, and that's the way you will, if you need to make any expression, you will select the way you want to. That's the way we need to do. So like some division from left to put it the times, like that we can make the expression like from the variable we choose y times, oh, get out, sometimes it's happen. So from the left we choose, it's okay, y times y. It's a little tricky, but from the you will grab it, and from the left the position you want to drag, just take it there and leave it. And 2 times x, so I will write down 2, we'll go to the variable, is it, and in the middle we'll place it. So now if I click the event and the green flag is clicked, you'll take the number, to show the number there also, 2 plus 4. Now 6 times 2 equal to 12, it shows 4 times 2 plus 3 times y equal to 20. You can do the math and you can check how the result you can get out, and you can fix it. That is the way we actually can do some expression. And if you want to do set the speak as well, so what you will do, you will set the voice and speak. Then each time you just duplicate, duplicate the value and put it inside the speak block. So another speak I want to this one, so just duplicate in the middle. You will select this 4 times x plus 3 times y. So addition is the middle, so you'll grab an addition, then you click the right click, you get the duplicate of this. Then I want to pick the last one, so and here is the middle is the division, so I'll click on the division and right click and I get the duplicate. So now I'll grab and put inside. So when the green flag is clicked, let me click on this out. Now click. The computer did the math for us and return the result. That's the way you can write down any math expression, and you can practice on your own math class with in Scratch, and you can check the output. It will be good practice so that you will be familiar with the operators section, and the more you practice, the more you will use to on it. So in my project, I will give you my project link in description. So there you can go and check inside my, see, this is my math project that I did in advance. So I shared it. So when you click, you can see the output. I write down the expression that I did in this project, and in this here, see inside. If you click it, then you can get the code. So the project link I will give you in description, and don't forget to save, because every step you do, try to save more often. So save to my computer. Even from the computer you can load it on online if you want to prefer to do online also, or even offline. It's same, no difference. So better save more often. Online is safe. Anyhow you can go and you can use it. So just free to sign up account so that you can use Scratch Cloud server and do your Scratch project. It's completely free. So that's the end of this tutorial today. Thank you so much. And if you like my tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye.